What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. This your boy Tate. I'm back in the building. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, thanks. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the SkullCandy Crusher Evos, one of the best headphones on the market. This is not a sponsored video. I have a relatively small channel, so I don't see anybody sponsoring me for quite some time. And of course, I'm always going to be transparent, and I'm always going to give you my honest opinion about said products. Now, the battery life on this bad boy is about 40 hours. It does connect to the SkullCandy app. You can also tune in that audio to your personal unique style, but the game changer on this particular device, and the reason why I personally love this particular item, is because of that bass slider. Trust me. Now, at the time of this video, I got these bad boys for half off. The regular price is $199. I got them for $99 on Amazon. I'm not quite sure why they're on sale, but I am very excited to add these bad boys to my collection. Trust me, you're gonna also want to do the same if you are a bass head. Now, these headphones aren't for everybody, of course. What headphones are, you're gonna have to find the headphones that you like. But if you like bass in your car and you want that experience on your head, these are the headphones you need to get. Trust me. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the box. Okay, let's see. All right, so it's at the very bottom, so we're gonna have to cut that. Okay, there's the headphone jack right there. So it's important to keep in mind that once these bad boys die from a charge, you still can use them if you have the headphone jack. So you also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now, what I will say is my original one that I did an unboxing on didn't come in a bag like this. It was definitely a little bit more sturdy of a bag, and the bag actually has storage pockets inside of it to house these bad boys in. All right. Oh, goodness. Yo, these are nice. These are nice. Let's put these to the side for a second. Yeah, that pouch is going to get a fail in my opinion. And to show you guys exactly what I mean by the pouch. Okay, so this is the pouch that I got with the gray ones. And as you can see, there's a little, you know, just a little bit more durable, a little bit more fancier. You connect this, put the headphones in, or you actually do this, roll it up, and they pretty much stay in place once you connect these bad boys together, and you never have to worry about them jumping out of there. This material and this material, as you can see, this is like some pants or something that you'll wear, and this is more of a sturdier type material, something like a cooler, one of those soft coolers that you can get. And of course, like I said, in the inside they have those storage pockets right there, as you guys can see, that I can house my charging port and my 3.5mm headphone jack in right there. So the gray ones already got the win as far as the case is concerned. And to give you guys another perspective of what you'll get, these are the gray ones. I have put a lot of wear and tear on these bad boys. They've been to the gym, everything. So forgive me for the discoloration and all of these little stains and stuff. And they do have different headphone tips because I had to replace these bad boys. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of the headphone cups, how damaged they were. I just kind of tossed them, ordered some brown ones because I couldn't find any gray ones. I could have went with black, but I wanted to be a little bit different, so I ended up buying these bad boys for about $7 on Amazon, which was pretty dope. Not too much different. They look exactly the same. Black ones have an orange dot right here. This one has a green one. There is a grayish portion right here underneath. I'm not sure why they did that. Maybe they couldn't get that portion black. But anyway, that's the comparison between the gray ones and the black ones. And I am really looking forward and excited about these black ones. Okay, so if we're looking at the headphones, this top portion is to turn it on. This is the bass slider. You slide it up, you sound more like you're inside of your car. You slide it down, you get that quiet feel. Also, not only just for the bass, if you're playing Call of Duty with these bad boys on, with your 3.5mm headphone jack connected, I'm telling you, man, you're gonna hear people walking in elevators, walking on helicopters, walking on planes. It's going to sound like you're in a movie theater, actually throwing grenades, and they're exploding right next to you. All right, so we get over here and we have the volume up, volume down, and this is your Siri button, you know, your functional button. You turn it over, We have the charging port, which is USB-C, which is pretty dope, as you guys can see. And we also have the spot for that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Man, these are dope, yo. These are absolutely dope. Tell me what you guys think about the look so far. What y'all think? Okay, so the app is pretty detailed as well. It gives you the battery percentage. You can turn up or down the volume inside of the app. You can set personal sound to your unique hearing. You can also tweak your EQ for music, podcasts, and movies, because you can watch all of that, I promise you, with these particular headphones, man. Trust me. Also, a feature that I forgot to mention is the tile feature. It has a built-in GPS, so you always can find these particular headphones no matter what. I'm telling you, man, that is a clutch feature. All you do is download the Tile app, connect it to the Tile, and it will update you every time you get out of reach of these headphones immediately. I've used it once before with my old pair, and it works perfectly. But let's get into the sound test. Okay, so before we get into an official sound test where the headphones are actually over my head, I want to show you guys what the bass actually does when off of your head, or just on your head but off of my head. Anyway, let me just show you. Okay, so this is a bass heavy song right here. So I'm gonna see if it actually does what I expect it to do. All right, so I'm gonna turn the bass up, because as you can see, it's not doing anything. Let's turn the bass up. So we're gonna do full bass, and we put it on some plastic with some hollow. It's very hollow. So if any rattling or anything happens, you're gonna be able to see it and hear it, hopefully. So let's get into it. I don't know if y'all can hear that. This particular plastic box is shaking, yo. Okay, so the point in demonstrating that is to show you that if it's making this plastic container rattle, imagine what it's doing on your freaking head, bro. Music freaking explosion, bro. I'm telling you, this is gonna be the best headphones for bass-headed people ever. Period. Let's get into the official sound test. Okay, so I don't know if I look like a complete douche or not, but just keep in mind that if the buttons are at the back, they are on correctly. We're gonna play some more of that Sicko mode. As you can see, Crusher, Evo, connected. Ooh! Let's go! Ooh! Bro, listen to me, man. Listen to me. Yo, I can't stress this enough, man. I cannot stress this enough. This is not a sponsored video. You see these bad boys right here? This is gonna be one of the best investments if you are bass heavy. It sounds like I'm sitting inside of my car with the music turned up and my amps, everything is going. I got the bass and the treble all the way to French toast up. And I'm just like vibing out, just riding, taking me a road trip, vibing out. These aren't for everybody. These bad boys are not for everybody. Trust me, I will firsthand admit that. You know, get you some Apple products or whatever, the Apple over the head products or whatever, which I will be reviewing sooner or later. Yo, in the price comparison, you could pay $500 for Apples, or you could pay $200 when they're not on sale, or half of that if you catch them right now on Amazon. Again, not sponsored, not affiliate, not nothing. You won't be disappointed in these bad boys. Call of Duty, you want to play Call of Duty, get these bad boys. You want to listen to your rap music and you want to hear every beat, bass, and be able to adjust that volume, get these bad boys. Ask for these bad boys. I don't know what else to say. There's nothing else to say. Go get them. Anyway, this your boy Tate. I'm gone. Peace.